If you want to change to light mode on ChatGPT, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to switch your ChatGPT theme from dark mode to light mode in just a few clicks. This is perfect if you prefer a brighter interface, want less strain on your eyes in a well-lit room, or simply want ChatGPT to look a little cleaner and more classic. If this video helps, please hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open ChatGPT in your browser and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main ChatGPT screen, look to the bottom left corner of the sidebar. You'll see your profile name or your profile icon there. Click on that to open the account menu. This is where ChatGPT keeps your personal settings, appearance options, and account controls. After the menu opens, click on Settings. You'll usually see a gear icon next to it, which makes it easier to spot. This will open the settings window for your ChatGPT account. On the left side of that pop-up, you'll see a few different tabs, and the one you want is General. Click General to go into the main appearance and behavior settings. Now scroll or look through the General section until you find the Theme option. This is the setting that controls whether ChatGPT appears in light mode, dark mode, or follows your system preference. Click the drop-down menu next to Theme, and you should see the available options. From the list, select Light. As soon as you choose it, ChatGPT should immediately switch into light mode. You'll notice the background becomes bright. The interface looks lighter overall, and the whole layout changes to the light theme you selected. In most cases, the change happens instantly without needing to refresh the page. If you want, you can double-check the interface to make sure the setting applied correctly. If it still looks dark, just reopen the theme dropdown and confirm that light is selected. Sometimes people accidentally leave it on System, which means ChatGPT will match your device's appearance settings. So if your computer is set to dark mode, ChatGPT may also appear dark unless you manually choose light. And that's it, you've successfully changed ChatGPT to light mode. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. If this tutorial saved you time, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.